Well deserved. Yes.
Exactly.
Exactly. Promised you a check on the tropics with what's left of what used to be Hurricane Danny. It was a Category 3 hurricane as recently about 72 hours ago, but now it's just a tropical storm, which means it is below hurricane strength. Start with the local view, and now we'll zoom off to the southeast so you can kind of get your bearings and see how far away this thing is. So on the left-hand side of your screen, that's what's left of Danny. Now just a tropical storm, and it's going to become, in all likelihood, nothing within the next 36 to 72 hours as it tracks over Puerto Rico and the island of Hispaniola, which is actually a good thing. A lot of times we talk about landslides and flooding when these tropical systems move over those islands. This time they're in a drought. They could use the rain, and it's a weak tropical system, so shaping up actually okay there. This next system doesn't have a name, doesn't have a number yet, but as it moves to the west, it's probably going to strengthen a bit. But then the same factors that really diminish Danny's intensity will probably diminish the intensity of the next one down the line. But things a little more active in the tropics. It's been very calm in the Atlantic so far this year. The exact opposite in the Pacific with that typhoon in the Philippines. Just, I mean, dozens of these typhoons on that side of the planet. Around here, well, we're looking okay. Decreasing clouds in Bedford County. The clouds continue to move farther and farther to the southeast. Lots of sunshine here from the city of Clifton in Wayne County, and lots of sunshine over Metro Nashville as well. Temperatures will warm back up. The sun rising higher in the sky just minute by minute as we look towards downtown Nashville. The winds are out of the north now, though. That's a much cooler direction, a drier direction as well. The dew point when I came in a few hours ago was in the low 70s. Now it's in the mid 60s. That's much better territory. That means the mugginess is much less noticeable, and that number will continue to drop as we head through the rest of the day. Checking out the Forewarn Live radar, nothing anywhere around us. This cold front has come through without any showers or thunderstorms. Mother Nature did throw a couple curveballs at us over the weekend. As the humidity returned on Saturday, that's when the more numerous showers and thunderstorms actually developed. And then as the cold front came through, really nothing developed, which is kind of the opposite of the way things usually happen. Keeps us on our toes. Temperatures are still in the low 70s ahead of that cool front. Behind it, though, upper 60s in Nashville and Columbia, Lawrenceburg as well. Low 60s, even mid to upper 50s in northwestern Middle Tennessee. And the humidity, as I mentioned, is noticeably lower. The dew point has dropped below 60 officially in Nashville. That's comfortable territory, and that kind of low humidity air is going to move across the rest of the mid-state, and it's just going to settle right in as we head through the rest of the week. A little taste of autumn with no rain in the forecast for the entire work week. The next chance of a shower or thunderstorm doesn't arrive in the 7-day forecast until Saturday, so we are going to stay high and dry for the next several days. Everything in terms of rain chances being steered to our east, off to our north, or way down to our south. We'll just see a few clouds floating through on Wednesday. No big deal there. Dog walking forecast is looking really good. Good as you're heading out the door right now if you've got time, but if you're going home at lunch to let them out, looking good at that point with temperatures in the upper 70s at noon, low 80s by 5 o'clock this evening, and really nice weather on the way throughout the evening. We're going to check out the 7-day forecast one more time coming up in about 6 minutes. Melanie?
Well, it's a good thing we have good weather because our morning commute is not shaping up